Hey guys, I hope you're having an amazing day, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make pom-poms from any type of yarn. The materials we are using are super simple and you probably already have them. Any type of yarn, a standard fork, and a pair of scissors. So we are going to take some of our yarn and wrap it around the tines of a fork, just like this. It's about 3/4 of an inch total thickness, and that's going to make the best sized pom-pom. And then you will want to cut off a piece of yarn about 5 or 6 inches. And then take your string and thread it through the bottom of your fork, just like that. And bring it through the middle there, and just like that. And then tie a really tight knot, making sure that your string is in the middle of that tine. So tightly tie a knot, hold it in place, and tie a double knot. And then cut off the excess to about 1 inch. Now that we have this wrapped and tied, now we can slide it off of a fork like that. And then take your pair of scissors and slide it through that hoop like that. And now just start doing a ragged cut. It doesn't need to be pretty because it's just a pom-pom and it actually looks better with a bit of a bad cut. Don't worry if it's hard to cut. It does take some time to cut through all of the layers. So with a bit of time, your pom-pom should look something like this. We still have a couple more hoops to go, but those won't take long. And now you can probably notice by now that these are kind of shorter than the rest. We are just going to go ahead and trim all of them up to one length. If you find any hoops that you haven't cut, make sure to trim them and it will just make your pom-pom look a lot better. And then that's how you make a pom-pom out of some yarn. So I actually went ahead and made a bunch more pom-poms. So you can see all different colors of yarn make different types of pom-poms. I really like these rainbow ones. Those look super cool. So there you have it. That's a super fun, quick, and easy way to make pom-poms. This is a really fun project to do when you're bored, and it helps pass some time, and you make super cool little pom-poms. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this project, make sure to click up there to watch some more. And I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel by clicking up there. Don't forget to ring that bell, and I'll see you in the next video.